Hi everybody, welcome. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing video. So, which is really exciting. You wanna be in the shot, Maiden? Come here, come closer. So let's see. So the unboxing is for ULTA.com. If you want to shop from ULTA, you can download the app, which makes it that much easier, or instead of the web browser. But either one works, and you can also go in store, and they have curbside pickup for orders that you place online, etc. And they have a reward program where you earn points. So, and you can redeem points for future purchases and stuff, which is nice. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff here. I'm just gonna title this fall haul for ULTA. Just a lot of stuff. So, let's just go through all the items one by one. Okay, the first item is we have a Lancome Bifacil 6.7 ounce double action makeup remover. So these are really good, made in France. I think I've used this before, I'm not sure, but I'm very excited about that. And then we have this one. I think it cracked open. It's a huge bottle, 33.8 ounce. It's called Vita Bath, Bubble Bath, Cucumber and White Tea. It's huge bottle. It smells good. It's supposed to be free of all the bad stuff, not tested on animals. Has vitamin A, B3, and C, E, and provitamin B5. Has cucumber fruit extract, aloe leaf juice, Camellia sinensis leaf, coffee seed extract, Euterp oleracea fruit, Garcinia fruit, Lycium something fruit, Morinda fruit, punica extract. So you saw a lot of good stuff in it. From Kylie Skin, we have a vanilla milk toner, which is 8 ounces. So Kylie Jenner brand. I like their packaging. So it's a matte pink bottle, vanilla milk. Cleansing. After cleansing skin with a foaming wash, squeeze onto cotton pad. So it's like a toner basically. Has avocado oil, apple extract, kiwi seed. Helps soothe, tone, and restore natural hydration, unclogs, purify, minimizes vegan. KylieSkin.com. Smells nice. It is kind of milky a little bit, but it is a toner. That's interesting. I like the bottle. Oh, and then they sent us this cute little complimentary keychain gift. Kylie. It's a mirror, actually. That's nifty. Okay, we have from Kylie. Also, we have this kit of lip balms. So it has 3 balms on there, and they are these 3 lip balm set. They're cute. Yes, they're 3 different colors. Let's try the red one since we're having red lipstick. And see what kind of balm it is. Yeah, it seems to be tinted. Let's see this medium color. And then the one's light. This balm. Oh, it's not. Oh, it smells really nice. Candy heart, and then this one cherry, and then the lightest one strawberry. That one smells good. How do y'all smell? The candy one smells good. Strawberry one smells good too. Beach Babe Dry Shampoo Toasted Coconut. We have to turn the top part. And then they send us a little gift packet here. Okay, next we have a box within the box. And then we got some 2-in-1 classic Head and Shoulders dandruff shampoo, 13.5 ounces. So this one I'll probably gift. And then we have a Hello Gum Nourishing Totally Yum Fluoride Toothpaste with Hyaluronic Complex.
Hi. What's going?
He's taking a nap. He's taking a nap. It's Sweet Mint, this one. Fluoride Toothpaste, okay. Hello. Okay, so that smells nice. I like their toothpaste. quite a few items that I picked up from pickup, which I want to share too. This was from Real Techniques, the Enchanted line, the brush set, Fairy Vision for liquid powder, 4-piece set, limited edition. Which I haven't taken out of the box. They're really pretty and colorful. Precious. So cute thing. So we have different colors. They look like little crystals. Green, pink. So I guess these are limited edition. Blue. And the biggest brush is in purple. These are the 4 colors. Really cute. It also came with this cute back pouch, matching. It's like silky on the inside, really pretty silver. So I guess you're supposed to put the brushes in there, like a cozy. And also, it came with this big, large, huge brush. This one, Passion Potion Blender. It has little confettis inside of it. I almost don't want to take it out. Oh, so cute. Heart shaped. It has like glitter. And I guess that's like for powders and stuff. So those are the brush set. Limited edition from this Enchanted line. Very cute. Colorful. So, I mean, whatever items they carry in store, you can just put in an order, and it tells you based on location which stores carry the items you're ordering. So it's pretty straightforward on the app. We have another dry shampoo, Clean Freak and Warm Sugar scent. Ooh, I like this smell. Warm sugar. Okay, warm sugar. This is the new t-shirt from ULTA. So they released a t-shirt from the ULTA line. It says ULTA Phenomenal. The beauty is you and me. It's very pretty material. Beauty is timeless, boundless, ageless, limitless, here, there, you and me. And this is in the size large. Pretty big size large. Looks like an extra. I wonder if I should put it on. Let's throw it on. like really thick material, kind of. Cute. And then we have that. Usually, yeah, they don't have apparel at ULTA. So this was like the first release where they have things like that. By the way, the brush set was a foundation brush, a concealer brush, a setting brush, and a contour brush. Contour brushes, angled, dense bristles, enhance facial definition for a sculpted base. Setting brush for dusting powders and highlighter for a natural finish. And a concealer, small dense bristles, smooth concealer for under eye and blemish coverage. And foundation brush is soft, flexible bristles, blend foundation and tinted moisturizers for medium coverage. So cute! We got a Winnie the Pooh little bag. How adorable! And the honey symbol. Oh, it even has a little pot of honey as the little hardware zipper. That's so cute. Soft, like velvety. I love this color. It's like a gold. It says Spectrum collab with Disney. So, oh, and inside it's like an orangey, silky, very cute. Wow, love it. Pineapple Swirl from Pacifica Curl Defining Cream. Anti-frizz. Adds shine, coconut, hyaluronic acid, pineapple. For dreamy, wavy hair. 1.4 ounces. I love their packaging on everything. Pacifica. Smells nice. Okay. Curl Defining Cream. They also sent us some cool wipes. I don't know if I've ever had wipes. Glowing, 100% vegan, makeup removing glycolic acid, orange and vanilla. And has 3 pre-moistened tablets. I don't think I've had a Pacifica wipes before. We have Pacifica niacinamide, zinc, and hemp 10% plus lemongrass oil balance, 100% vegan, 0.8 ounces. Let's see. It says every true beauty knows it's what's on the inside that matters. So we have it like a serum. It's really cute. Ooh. This bottle though, it's really dark, like frosted white glass kind of. I'm not gonna put too much, but let's see what that is. I love lemongrass too, and has hemp. Okay, hopefully it'll soak in. That'll be good for my skin. Okay, what else we have? Vegan Collagen Fluffy Lash Mascara. I don't think I'm gonna put it on right now, but from Pacific Mascara. Ooh, very heavy too. Packaging, very nice. Fluff it up brush. It's called a recyclable. Okay, vegan collagen. Tag. Has rice bran wax and acacia, jojoba oil, carnauba wax. And then the last thing from here, the Pacific Step Hair and Body Mist. And this is 2 ounces. Patchouli Dream Moon has sandalwood as well and pink rose as well. The Pacific stuff is really nice. It smells really nice. I love how everything is, like the packaging is very beautiful. The colors, very nice and pretty designs, and everything smells really nice. And then they threw in a vegan ceramide under eye like patches. 2 patches in there, like lavender color. And hopefully we don't make a cut of this video. I'm trying to do as fast as I can. Okay, so down here. Okay, ooh, we have another Pacific item here. Dream Moon, very beautiful packaging. This is an actual perfume. Patchouli, sandalwood, pink rose. Oh wow, it has the same scent as the mist spray. This one, perfume, has corn green alcohol. Pacificabeauty.com, an actual perfume. Very pretty packaging. It's 1 ounce. Compassion, calmness, dreaminess, sacredness, patchouli, divine sandalwood, and astral pink rose. Very pretty. The box is cute too. I'm gonna keep the box too. Okay. I'll show you the cat. We have some scrunchies. So pretty. Silver, white, and gray. Oh wow, pretty fabric. 3 of them from Suki-Toons.com. SCUNCI. Scrunchie. Oh, yes. A mystery item. Not sure what this is. Paint It Lip Color Matte. Okay. Not sure how to show that. Oh, it's from About Face. So Long Summer. I guess is the color. Okay. Let's just get everything box. This one's a big box. Oh wow! Oh my god! We got a bag. So pretty. It's cute. I didn't know it was this cute. It's like a leaf This one is from John Barbados. It's ivory with brown. But the material is like canvasy. Oh wow, okay. It's very different from what I imagined, but cute. Very nice and big for like putting stuff in and travel. I like this like leathery label. It says John Barbados. Very cute. All the straps, leathery. Cute. Zipper and a long strap as well, like a shoulder strap is there. Spacey. Very roomy. Okay. Thank you. Nice. Oh, and that was with this item, which is the Double X John Barbados Indigo ULTA toilet 2.5 ounces. I do want to open it. Like the crown hardware. It's so pretty. It's cute. Smell it? Nice cap on there. Oh, it smells nice. I can smell it. Okay, we got a set of 100% cotton face masks from Kitsch, Kitsch. I always have a hard time spelling. mykitsch.com. Cute masks. They're black, stretchable. So Kitsch, and then there's Squishy, which is different. I always get the two confused. We got some gifts here as well. We'll go through that. And then, so from Bravo Sierra, a shaving foam 2 ounces. We've got a hair and body solid cleanser 7 ounces. It says without bad stuff in there. Wild coconut derived oil. That's cute. Big soap designed for hair and body, enriched with shea butter, oat flour to moisturize dry skin. Conditioned hair, scented with woody notes of white vetiver and cedar wood. All over soap. Oat kernel flour. Hydrogenated vegetable oil. Spirulina extract. Panax ginseng root, shea butter, and aloe leaf juice. It smells very nice. That's cute. We share 5% of our sales with programs dedicated to well-being of military and their families, etc. And then from the same brand, deodorant and body spray. It's 5 ounces from the Bravo Sierra line. BravoSierra.com for more information. Has aloe leaf, Panax, Queen Q Folius Root Extract, Glycerin, Citronella, Spirulina Extract. Odor neutralizing body spray. Not tested on animals. I want to smell it. Citrus and cedarwood. Nice scent. It comes with sandalwood and fig. So they have one other scent option. Sandalwood and fig is the one I chose. 3.2 ounces for the deodorant. That's nice. Cool packaging. Alloy, jojoba, ginseng root, algae extract, glycerin, sorbitin, starch. So all this is kind of like a set, and then this one is antibacterial body wipes. It's kills 99% of germs and bacteria. Has ginseng, blue algae, aloe vera. Cleansing, refreshing, removing body odor. You can use head to toe. Extra thick material. It doesn't contain parabens, silicone, sulfates, phthalates, ethanol, animal-derived ingredient. So it has alloy, ginseng root, citric acid, aqua extract. Okay, I'm not sure how many is in there. It's like a sample size, maybe that one. Okay, and then the final, or next to final. And then we have a few little envelopes and with the new items. And we had all those gifts. So this one has another we have a bubble bath, shampoo, body wash, blackberry. This is the ULTA brand, 3-in-1. It's 24 ounces, very big. Smells really nice, very blackberry scent. So it's like a lifetime supply of body wash. And we have so from MAC, what do we have here? It's like liquid lip color called Live Me. They're like little samples. So they give samplers, and then body butter. Look better naked. From soapandglory.com. A little sample. We have a bunch more samples here. What was in this little box? See, open this. How would I open it? They sent us little tiny shampoo, Head and Shoulders, argan oil, jojoba oil, nourishing and smoothing, 2.5 ounces, scalp and hair conditioner, has zinc for dandruff, pyrithione zinc, free from sulfates, 3 ounces shampoo, and okay, shampoo and conditioner. That's exciting. Okay, so we're almost done. I appreciate everyone to join me for the unboxing, and yeah. So our fall haul today is, the date is so October the 7th. Cute. Okay, we got a pillowcase. This is called a CBD pillowcase. It came as a gift with purchase. Ooh, it smells nice. Very white, very soft pillowcase. Cute. Very, very soft. Feels baby soft. So pretty. And that came with this from Calming with CBD Soothe Sash Hair and Hand Cream, 3.4 ounces from the brand Sexy Hair. But it's for hair and hand cream, so not just for hair. Oh, it smells nice. It smells just like the pillow. It smells amazing scent. Okay. Very organic scent. And then we got some pins. Traceless hair clip. They have little pearls. Hair Lift Tech. 3 of them. Comfort Invisibobble brand. Designed in Germany. They look like clear plastics. Can't wait to try that. This looks so cute. Okay. That's what they look like. So usually Invisibobble has good stuff, so hopefully, oh, that's cute. So it opens up and then kind of twists around. That's cute. I don't know if I put it right. Whatever, I think. Okay, what else is in here? We have from Revolution Candy Haze. It's a lip, it's a jelly highlighter eliminator, 0.35 ounces, and the option Inspire. I don't even remember what this was. Oh, that's cute. It has a nice packaging. Oh, it's like a glass, frosted glass. Cute stuff from this brand. Ooh, oh my goodness, so thick. Oh my goodness. It's like a bronzy color. Oh, this one is thick. It feels very creamy. I like that. It's nice. It's cute. Has olive fruit oil, castor seed oil, a fruit extract, rubus cameloris. Cool stuff. revolutionbeauty.com. Nice. I didn't put too much, but very cute. So shiny. polish, we have Gel Shine Ulta Beauty brand nail lacquer. One is, I guess, the color name number. Very cute. Can't have enough nail polish. 133 ounce. We have Confidence in a Cream from IT Cosmetics, and Super Cream Moisturizing Transforming. So itcosmetics.com. This is half an ounce. It's a nice scent. Putting everything right here on my chin. Today. Okay. So from Burt's Bees, we got a vitamin C, E, and F cleansing balm. Really cute packaging. Really heavy glass bottle on this. Pure and Radiant Melts Away Makeup Reveal Radiance with Cleansing Balm, Brightening Vitamin C, Antioxidant Rich Vitamin E, Moisture Boosting Vitamin F. Use a small amount to dry hands, wet hands, gently massage product onto skin and rinse throughout and pat. 100% natural origin, nutrient rich botanicals. Burt'sBees.com /values if you want to read more about the company. It's 2.8 ounces, has a nice wooden lid, really cute. Oh, it's really like thick, like a wax. So it's supposed to like moisturize and also clean too. That's cute. Very nice product. Interesting product. I love this bottle packaging. From it, Citron Eye Roller, Confidence Anti-Puffing Heavenly Skin Brush. So on one side, it's a deep puffing citron roller, and on the other side, it's a brush. IT Cosmetics usually has nice brushes. It's not that big, but it's cute. It's a round head with the citron, which is a stone. Really cute. It says the name IT Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Brush. So you can use that for makeup or for masks, whatever. It's a really soft brush. And then the citron stone, you're supposed to massage with that and smooth out products and press products into your skin, etc. Cute. Nice brush. And citron roller set. Beauty bar. Okay, from Kitsch, we got a little bag which is supposed to be for like soaps. Let's see. It looks cute. Looks like shiny. Ooh. So you're supposed to put like little soaps that you have in your, like for the gym or whatever, like a carry bag. I think they had two different colors. This one says conditioner. So I think you could probably, the other one says either shampoo maybe or something.